I'm definitely looking at doing something really fun now since I've done The Empire. A lot of interesting stuff is coming my way. Also, another show is coming out in October. It's an adaptation of this
Mm-hmm.
novel called Those Pricey Thakur Girls. All the more fortunate to be a part of Empire because you don't get to play such characters on an everyday basis.
Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today I have a very special guest with me. Malikai Hindustan मेरे सामने बैठी हुई है. Seher, welcome to Bollywood Live. How are you doing?
All good, all good. I'm overwhelmed with the kind of response that the show has been getting, that I've been getting, and it's great.
Seher, you mentioned before that you were the last minute casting. You were just casted, and next day you were, shooting. So tell me more about the audition process. How did it happen, and what kind of prep you went through when you were auditioning? Also, tell us more about audition.
It was very impromptu. I remember Kavish Sinha, who's the casting director of the show, he called me one evening saying that, there's a project happening by the name of The Empire. And would you like to go meet Nikhil sir tomorrow? And I went the next day. Met Nikhil sir, met Mitakshra, and he wanted me to test for 2 scenes. And so Kavish was the one who sort of briefed me a little bit what to do, what the character is all about. And that very evening, in fact, I got finalized. And the next day, I had gone to get my hair colored for the character. And the next day, we flew down to Jaipur. We started shooting. So I had no idea about the character at all. It was much later, during the lockdown when I got a chance to go through the script, read each and everybody's part, and that's what happened. But before that, it was just 2 days of shoot.
Yeah, so
it
no
was
prep
just
for audition as well.
No, nothing at all.
Oh, that's so cool. Also, one thing I've noticed that, where everyone in the series had a certain element of grey in their character, you were completely the most, the good person. So what's your take on being the only good person in the show?
Well, it was one of the things that actually the reason I wanted to do the show, because I was like, everybody has a little bit of grey, but Maham's character is such. She's just so unconditional. She doesn't care about the past. She loves her own child and everybody else's child also. It's not like I want my son to get the throne. She's so cool with Gulrukh's son also to be getting the throne. It doesn't matter to her. So that for me, I was like, that's something new. Because back in the day, I'm sure that there would be hardly anybody who would not care about the throne and the power. But she was this one character who loved people unconditionally, didn't care about the throne, didn't care about the power. So that's something that really attracted me about her.
So while definitely we loved you as a character, who is completely good and want good for others, do you think that there was some reservation while performing the character, because you didn't have that layers where other characters had so many deeper layers to them? So do you think that was a reservation for you to establish yourself as an actor there?
No, not at all. I didn't actually look at it like that. And in my own head, I felt like there was a lot of layers in the sense, because initially I start out with this feisty girl, and later in the show I'm also shown as a mother. So I feel like even this character had its own layers in that sense. But yes, definitely it didn't have that grey shade which everybody else did. So, but there were no reds. I mean, I didn't think about it like that at all.
Okay, so now we are hoping for season 2 very soon. So do we see you doing more layered character, or how, do you have any idea how your character would look in the season 2?
So actually, I don't know. I think it's for the makers to even announce whether there's a season 2 happening, not happening. But I have no idea about what Maham is going to turn out to be in season 2. But fingers crossed. I'm hoping that it happens soon.
Are you reading the book now? Because before you couldn't get a chance. But are you reading the book now?
No. I'm not reading anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what are your expectations from the season 2? Would you like to get little grey, because now Humayun, your kid, would be the emperor? So what kind of changes that you feel that your character would go through?
Yeah, I feel since Maham is inherently this really nice person, I don't know if she'll go down that path. I mean, I don't know. It again depends because I haven't read the book. Limited information is given online about Maham's character. So let's see. It's going to be fun. I definitely like bringing my own stuff also to the table, but eventually I feel like I'm a director's actor. I prefer surrendering myself completely and follow their vision as much as I can.
Okay. Now, after the show became a hit and everyone is loving your character, also, I'm sure you will be full of new offers, new scripts. So tell us more about that. What's happening in that direction? Are you reading scripts, and what kind of scripts you're looking for? Tell me more about that.
So I'm definitely looking at doing something really fun now since I've done The Empire, and a lot of interesting stuff is coming my way. Also, another show is coming out in October. It's an adaptation of this novel called Those Pricey Thakur Girls. It's been directed by both Mr. Habib Faisal and Mr. Tarun Mansur Khani, and it's this adaptation of a novel by Anuja Chauhan. So I'm very excited about that. That is again very different. It's set in the 80s. I'm playing this newsreader. So yeah, looking forward to that also now. Let's see.
And what kind of scripts are coming to you now? Are they more like those on the lines of the Empire, or they are like quirky and new stuff? What kind of scripts are coming your way now?
Definitely something very new is coming my way for the time being, because also I feel like stuff like projects like Empire, they are very it's not very often that stuff like that gets made on a daily basis, and that is why I feel all the more fortunate to be a part of Empire, because you don't get to play such characters on an everyday basis.
Great. With that, Seher, it was amazing talking to you. Like I would mention here, ki, like Malika Hindustan, in real life also you are a very that person who have a very positive aura around. So it was amazing talking to you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
For the future projects, and I hope to connect to you soon when your next project comes.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you.